What's up YouTube, SoCal Shaolin here. It is Thursday morning. I'm on my way to Comic-Con. I was here yesterday for a little while. Not too much going on. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get as much swag as I can. Do a little giveaway at the end of the con for you guys that didn't get to come. But anyways, it already looks crazy, so let's go in. It's first day, Thursday. We got the Powerpuff Girls directly across from the convention center. Already got people in cosplay going on.
Whichever way.
Conan O'Brien up there, Pop Figures. Little Amazon across the street from the convention center. There's the convention center right there. Just all the people waiting across the street to get in. So if you watch Game of Thrones, you hear all like the characters here. Kind of like in the Hall of Faces. Pretty cool. It's right outside the train, the trolley and the train station. But goes Amazon. They had a pretty big setup going on outside. This is the big sales pavilion in the middle of the convention center. Where all the autographs are for like all the old has-been TV stars and movie stars. All there on that side. Yeah, so this is the mezzanine area. This is where all the clubs and fandoms set up tables to get new members. We got the San Diego Star Wars Society right there. 501st Legion over there in the corner. Jericho, fans of Jericho, so trying to keep that show alive. A lot of Star Wars clubs.
Did you guys ever act like that?
I can text somebody to find out where they're at. What do you need?
So nice. Oh, yeah.
Three different foot soldiers, Shredder.
Everyone, get back! Get in your house and go!
World famous Mile High Comics. And their booth is huge.
Big draw tomorrow.
And now we're into the comic book section of Comic Con, and it's actually the least busiest part of the exhibit floor, where the actual comic books are. What started the whole thing, which is kind of sad actually.
It's like when you bring back some cabbage or
Okay, the cruelty giveaway sign or giveaway.
So you need to fill in some holes in your collection. Definitely Comic Con's the place to do it.
Oo, kasi ako.
yeah, you gotta get so many places. Chris, so many places. You know, the high-end collectors, they got like in front of the best.
To have it that to have it that long, to keep it in that good a condition. I mean, yeah, you do deserve a pretty penny, but
Yeah. You find that garage find or whatever,
Yeah.
But it's like, alright, so they're showing you 26 grand. You gotta ask for a price on that one. That's only the money he makes. To ask for a price. That means those two are probably ridiculous.
oh yeah. And what the hell is the difference between 0.5 and? Hey, how are you today? Come out west. The land where the Tons and turbos. Yeah. No easy pass. Pacific Coast Highway. Yeah, you can take what we call freeways and go. No tolls anywhere. I like visiting New York, but your state boy just a chick. Yep.
Sorry, dude.
Thank you.
What's the word, Hummingbird?
So some of the Gundams are over at the front.
fresh air from the con right now. I'm in the back of the convention center, and there's the kind of stuff that goes on back here. Got the medieval fencing clubs. Got a lot of photo ops going on back here. I believe it's a Star Wars photo op. Let's see what's going on. Star Wars cosplayers.
Alright, great work, Jedi. Back in the middle. Alright, what else we got?
We're looking on that side.
Alright,
Guys, I need you to open up just a little more.
2 ranks behind, starting behind R2. One of you guys get behind C-3PO. The rest of you guys go there. 2 ranks. And hey, steampunk. Once there's no pilot.
Over here is San Diego Harbor.
Please.
Whenever you're ready.
Awesome, thank you.
Colored Wookiees. Here's like another line. I believe this is to get into ballroom 20.
Gotta get one of them.
See how far this line goes. There's the line all the way down by the harbor. Probably stretches all the way back over there. Here's the closer look at the harbor behind the convention center. Very beautiful. Fortunate enough to live here in this beautiful city. Get to go to Comic-Con every year. It's a 20-minute drive from home. So from what they told me, that long line was for Legos, or is for Legos. It's only, you're not even guaranteed one is to get a. It's a raffle. You might get lucky. You can get the minifigure.
I don't know if you can get in there.
Only if you have that.
Alright guys, so I just left the convention center. I'm walking towards Seaport Village. It's a area next to the convention center, right next to the harbor. Yeah, I do that. But Seaport Village is a nice little area with lots of shops and places to eat. Especially if you don't want to eat none of that convention food. All they have is nachos and burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. And they're not even that great. But I'm gonna head over here to Seaport Village, see if I get myself something to eat. Take a little break from the convention.
You get the impression that there's some another story there, but it's literally just a collection of stories.
That's sweating.
So amazingly impressed right now.
Super Small Stores this week.
Okay, it's time for to eat. Where's the place to eat right here close?
I mean, there's like seafood, Seaport Village Cafe right through there. Come on in. You'll see fire eating. You'll witness sword swallowing. It's all real. It's not a magic show. Come on in. We're 200 years ago. Let me look at the wind. Yeah, it's kind of windy here. So we're gonna try to do as much as we can here, but I'm gonna have to step back here to do a few of the things. I'm gonna start out by lighting my hand on fire. So you can see there's my hand on fire, but I need to put it out because it's not on the dinner menu. Here we go. Tastes hot. Watch the tongue. Watch the tongue. I'm gonna have to go back here now. Sorry. Watch the tongue. Ooh. I was hoping to hear a thank you, because I'm just warming up. Miss it.
Super fun place to do. Then you're gonna slide over here, you guys can turn around, you're gonna slide over to Mario Kart 8. The sequel to Mario Kart 7 was a plan on the free SSL. We got Mario Kart 8, which is only now on the Wii U. I'm gonna keep making out of Mario Kart 8 round. You're gonna slide up to that main stage and you're gonna be playing Pokken Tournament. Pokken Tournament on the Wii U. Super cool, super fun. Super excited to have you guys all here. Hope you guys are having a great time hanging out with us at the Play Nintendo Lounge. Super fun. Make sure you post all those things over here. I'm with my boy Roy, also known as Roy, our boy. Roy, our boy, hanging out. And my other masters, those guys with those red Mario shirts, those green Yoshi shirts, the yellow Donkey Kong shirts.
What? It's gonna be real still because I'm like.
I don't know, but
we'll try to get you in one more.
Good, because I'm good. I'm pretty good. I'm the best at. I'm so good at gymnastics. I'm pretty good at football.
Okay.
Alright guys, so it just came in. It's Saturday today. It's not too busy right now. This is the calm before the storm. Always the busiest day, Saturday. You can actually walk through the aisles right now. It's pretty amazing. Perfect Comic Con. It's been busy every day. Just getting through all the booths. It's gonna be hard with all the crowds. As you can see, there's already lines. The doors literally just opened a few minutes ago. Some people always get in early. Have no idea how.
I saw that right. You should. I don't want it. That's awesome.
I work at this company here. Took Toys to Life.
That's so sick. Oh, excuse me. Do you still have the? I think it's Rika, like
You know what's funny is he sells this type of stuff sells for so much.
Right.
And then our main closet.
Oh, it might be from their best.
There's one bigger one than this one. Yeah, it's on the other side. We'll go check that one out.
You want the Fancy on the other side, babe?
You need to get one of those coupons.
Take off both shirts and try it on with no shirt on. To make sure. I say you could. Oh, that's awesome.
It was really fun. Like everything's about
Wait, here, my bag comes the wrong way. Oh, no, give me a second. Or you can you put it on my shoulder? You're pretty
That's an awesome setup.
Think of this guy. Well, he is an X-Men because he's a mutant, but then he kind of does his own thing.
Well,
He's not really a joiner.
Well, he's mean. He's mean, but he's good.
Yeah, kind of like the Punisher. Okay.
I'm so happy for you.
Pointing at her trying to take
She is from.
Not panoramic. I'm busy right now.
That's
I saw already.
Yeah, well, you know, we're translating Slytherin.
That's well. And well, if you're Merlin, you just have to say words. So or even yeah. I'm FN 2187. I don't know who this Finn is.
Alright guys, I just left the convention center. San Diego Comic-Con 2016 is over for me. Saturday afternoon. I'm done. I'm not coming back Sunday. I've already seen everything I wanted to see. Got everything I wanted to get. Some things I didn't get. This probably was the most crowded I've seen it, even on Thursday. But anyways guys, hope you enjoy the video, get to experience some of the things that I did by watching. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them. Hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe for more videos coming up from me, including a pickups video I'm going to do when I get a chance. I'm flying out to Houston to see family on Monday, so catch you guys next time. I'm SoCal Shaolin. I'm out.